Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about sad. So, without any delay, let's move forward to the topic. Sad is a term used to describe a negative emotion characterized by feelings of unhappiness, sorrow, and disappointment. Sadness can be a natural response to negative events or circumstances, such as the loss of a loved one, the end of a relationship, or a disappointment in one's personal or professional life. Sadness is a normal and natural part of the human experience, and it can serve a helpful purpose by allowing individuals to process difficult emotions and experiences. However, if sadness persists or becomes overwhelming, it may indicate a more serious condition, such as depression, and professional help may be necessary. There are many ways to manage and overcome feelings of sadness, such as talking to friends and family, engaging in activities that bring joy, practicing self-care, and seeking support from a mental health professional. It's important to remember that sadness is a normal and temporary part of life, and that it can be overcome with the right tools and support.